Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to make photo into circle in Word. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open a Word document and place an image in the document. Next we are going to click on our image and go to the image format button and then click on crop, as the image should be as square as possible to enclose it in the circle. Once cropped, now we will click on insert and then on the shapes button, where we will choose the oval shape. Now we will drag our cursor over the image to make our oval. After this, we will right click on our image and cut it, and now we will right click on the oval and go to the last option that says shape format. This will open a window where we will click on the one that says image or texture fill and then on the clipboard button. Now our image is inside the circle. If you want to erase the border line, you just have to click on line and then on no line. And that's it. It's that easy. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next tech solutions video.